Okay, we're ready for departure. Practice 804 Bravo is ready for departure at holding point Alpha.
Practice 804 Bravo via Alpha, backtrack, line up and wait, runway 09.
Fire Alpha, backtrack and line up and wait, runway 09, practice 804 Bravo. Do we have a squawk as well?
Practice 804 Bravo, so after departure will be on track VFR to Jerez and squawking 7302.
After departure, VFR to Jerez, squawking 7302, practice 804 Bravo. Practice 804 Bravo is ready for departure on reaching.
Practice 804 Bravo, roger. Departure details are taken on track VFR to Jerez and squawk 7302.
Confirm tracking VFR to Jerez 7302 in the squawk and ready for departure now at 09, practice 804 Bravo.
Practice 804 Bravo, roger. And when airborne, please remain clear of LED 164.
Copy, clear of the restricted airspace after departure, practice 804 Bravo.
Practice 804 Bravo, runway 09, surface wind of 320 degrees at 2 knots, cleared for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 09 at practice 804 Bravo. Thrusters. Holding off 60. Up the brakes, up the left one.
Practice 804 Bravo, recycle squawk at 7302 and contact Gibraltar radar 122, station late, goodbye.
12218, we'll recycle now, practice 804 Bravo, thanks very much for your help, bye bye.
Roger, pleasure.
Welcome approach, good afternoon, practice 804 Bravo is climbing through 1700 on a VFR to Jerez.
Practice 804 Bravo, Gibraltar radar, roger. I identified and second your climbing, your cruising level?
Cruising level 65, flight level 65.
Practice 804 Bravo, roger. And what type of service do you require?
Basic service for practice 804 Bravo if possible.
Practice 804 Bravo, roger. It's a basic service.
Basic service, practice 84 Bravo.